Hey ladies, so here I'm showing you guys how to install faux locs crochet braids using this method. This method here allows it to look like it's individuals around the perimeter. Meanwhile, it's crocheted around the perimeter as well as crocheted on the inside. It also allows for less fullness so your crochet doesn't look as bulky. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Hey y'all, so the products that I'm using is typically jam that I like to use to help me precision part, and the comb that I'm using as well has that open teeth right there. So if you want to know where I get these products from, make sure that you read below in the description for the link of my Amazon store with all the products that I like to use. Right here you'll see me add the previous plait into the next plait like this to connect the plaits together like a cornrow. Right now I'm pre-sectioning the back to do a zigzag pattern cornrow in the back and connect all the individual braids around the perimeter. This is where I do zigzag going across the back and just attach all the side braids into the zigzag cornrow. You can also do beehive, which is a circle braid pattern in the back, or go straight up and down. I like to do horizontal because it allows me to either make it full and space it out how I need to. So it allows me to create whatever type of volume that I want. Or if I don't want volume, I don't have to have volume. The beehive really allows for a lot of volume, but I just like doing the zigzag. Do what's best for you. Typically, if I have a client whose hair is really soft, and I would say not only soft but short as well, I would add in braiding hair here, but her hair was long enough for me to braid zigzag and not have to use braiding hair in this part here. So yeah, if you have any questions, do leave your questions below. And if you want to learn how to do more of these things using my seamless hairline technique, definitely check out our website to see what classes we have hands-on or online from anywhere in the world that you are. All right, we also have a training kit and with the ebook, so make sure to check those things out. And if you want to book an appointment, we're located in Tucker, Georgia. Definitely check us out. And we do have a list of certified technicians all across the world, so check out who's in your area if you're looking to book an appointment with us. Consultations are recommended to do it first. Actually, it's mandatory because we like to customize our install given the client's concerns or any issues they may have with their hair. All right, so here we are braiding out the tail end of her hair. Not rat tail, I don't know why I said that. But anyways, we're braiding out the hair, and then I typically put a little gel on the end to kind of keep it all uniform and together so I could put it on my latch hook. And I use my customized handy latch hook. Here you get a close-up. And I feed the hair in through the cornrow like so. All right, we're just feeding the hair all the way through. So it's all the way tucked away so the client does not cut their hair. All right, and this is the final look of the foundational braid. And as you can see, I have my Crochet Locs. And I use my bigger latch hook because that makes it easier because it has a bigger hook to fit the whole lock onto it. And I go ahead and just pull it through. All right, and I do this all around her perimeter. As you can see, I took the crochet needle and put it in where the braid is. Let's see. Yep, right there. Hook it onto it, pull it through. Now pull the lock through the hole like so and so. Pull it all the way through. And the little piece of tendril here. This is Freetress, by the way. I'll leave all of that in the description link for you to check out the Amazon store for what all of this is. Store, Amazon store. All right, and that's what that looks like. All right, and I just continue doing this all the way around the perimeter, and I'll do it on the inside. But when I do it on the inside, you'll see me do a little bit differently, so you still mitigate bulkiness. All right, you want to do it index finger space apart, so it comes out looking pretty natural. I also like to do the brick method. If you're not aware of what the brick method looks like, it's basically staggered. So each piece will go in between a space. So for instance, I set a finger space apart, so that space apart, the top row will have a lock that goes in between that. So keep watching, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, pay attention because I'm getting ready to show you. All right, you see there? Yep, that's what it is. So now I'm getting ready to put the lock in between those spaces on this top row. See how they fall right in between? Yep, there you go. So that's what the brick method is, or staggered pieces. So I just continue doing this all on the zigzag cornrows that's in the middle here, just to space it out really well. So you have your clients that don't like bulkiness, they don't like the hair too full, or they want to be able to put it into a ponytail and it not feel like too much hair on their head. And so this is the technique that I've used for years to help mitigate bulkiness. So if you're starting out and you find this video helpful, please make sure that you comment below and you subscribe so I can continue to make content like this for you. All right. And remember, typically the size of the parting would be the size of the lock, right? So if you have a smaller lock or a larger lock, make sure to readjust the size of your parting, which is those little boxes of individuals, so that it looks natural. All right, voila, here we go. This is the final look. I hope you I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it. And if you do try it, tag me and let me know. But yeah, none of your braids should be showing underneath. You should have full coverage, even if you skipped and did a finger space apart. Okay, so you give the clients what they like. Boom.